Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work on Aerogarden stuff. And with that, I'm going to be showing you how to grow cilantro in your Aerogarden. If you haven't done it, or if you haven't done it, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it on your own, because I know getting the little pods from Aerogarden is not possible with cilantro. I couldn't find any, so I had to learn to do it myself. Stay tuned and we'll get into it. So first thing you're going to want to do is, not spill the water. Buy cilantro seeds. You can find these anywhere in your local hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, or even on Amazon. I bought them in like a little pack that I bought a bunch of seeds in from Amazon. Bought them. It did break open, but it's okay. And so the first thing you're going to want to do is get a little seed out. Very, very tiny, and don't drop it like I do. And you're gonna want to break it in half. Make it that way it's in two sides. So I'm gonna do that right now. Yeah, if I could get it, see, it's kind of broken in half there. And I'm gonna save that for later because I've already done this. And when you do, you're gonna want to put it on a wet paper towel. You're gonna want to do that because that is how they're gonna germinate. That one's kind of long. So I've already done it. So I'm actually gonna show you guys what it looks like. Oh my goodness, they look great when it's done. So you're gonna put it in a wet paper towel, you're gonna close it, you're gonna stick it in a little Ziploc, and you're gonna leave it there for about 5 to 7 business days. Kind of keep an eye on it because all you really want is for them to start sprouting little seedlings like that. See, it's so cute. You want it to do that. So as soon as it does that, you're gonna take it out of the package, open it up, and you're gonna put in your own little grow sponges. So I save these. These are what you get from Aerogarden. I take my sponges out as soon as I'm done using them, and that way I could put my little seedlings of my cilantro into these. These I got on Amazon. It's a pack of 50, so I have a whole bunch left. And then I'm going to get them wet. These are gonna be in here. A little one, which I almost spilled earlier, in my little water thing. And I'm going to actually break them open. When I break them open, we're gonna put the little sprouts right on in them. So cute. So let's do that. So it's nice and wet. I'm gonna pop it open, not too much, just a little bit on the side. And I'm gonna put about 3 little sprouts right on in there. But one, that way it's pretty much determined it's gonna grow. I just like to have a couple in there at a time. There you go, that's right on in. You're gonna squish it down, seal it up back in, and you're gonna put it right back into your little sponge pod right there. Gonna pop it into your Aerogarden, just like so. There it is. And you're gonna continue doing it until you're done filling up your sponges and popping into them. So again, if you missed it, all you're gonna do, pop open your seeds, put them onto a wet paper towel, then you're going to seal the wet paper towel, put it into a Ziploc, 5 to 7 business days, wait for them to germinate, then they're gonna sprout little tiny seedlings, and then that's when you know you're ready to go on and plant. So I'm gonna go on and continue doing this into my little wet sponges until I'm done. So I'm gonna do that. Got quite a few here to do. I know I kind of run through this a little bit, but the whole point is just to really kind of educate, because I know it takes me a little bit to learn it, especially when it comes to Aerogardening stuff. It wasn't everywhere, so it's hard to find. But I'm actually using this little Aerogarden I have here to just kind of germinate them, start the grow process, and then I'm actually gonna move them over to my farms because I'm gonna go quite a bit of cilantro because it's something I use all the time. I'm gonna use it sparingly, so let me go to, oh no, there's a lot of water there. My goodness, I was expecting this many when I popped this sucker open today. 2 and 3. Okay. mine on here, even though this says it's thyme. It's not thyme, it's cilantro. Go. Let's do my other one. A few seedlings there that are sprouting. You can kind of see some of them there, and I'm putting it into that. And that'll be in my kitchen. But if you look here, these are my sponges that I got nice and wet for me to put them in. So give me a second, I'll show you. Okay. And my last one here. So I'm gonna put quite a few in here just because I had quite a more seeds than I thought I did. I'm gonna just throw some in here. Hope I don't overdo it, but I don't want to waste my little seedlings that I sprouted. And that's all I got. I know some of these will not grow completely anyway. Stay. Okay. And my last one. So pop that on in there. And then you get little domes. And I'll get my domes. Right here, you get these little domes. You pop those suckers over it. And you let it do its thing until they start growing. And that is it. So, hope you guys learned something. If you have any comments, suggestions, let me know how your feedback is. If you've done this before, I don't know. But be sure to like, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and happy Aerogardening. Bye!